Hello, my name is Nelson Fabian Garcia Gomez. I am 30 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogota. I live with my mom, my sister, my wife, my son, and my daughter. Um, I am studying electronic engineering. I love playing video games. I like listening to music. I like spending time with my family. I like eating meat and love watching movies out anime. I dislike waking up early. I hate eating cauliflower. My last travel was 3 years ago. I went to Melgar with my family and stayed in Guadamana Hotel for 5 days. The weather was warm and sunny. We did different activities like we visited to the park and we went to the zoo every day. We at different local dishes like the amasijos and fruits. We usually playing with my children in the pool in the afternoon. In the future, I plan to finish my profession career. I would like to buy my own house and a car for my family. I will do specialization in my program. Bye.